Good morning, you guys. It is like early in the morning. I don't know what time it is, but I know it's morning time because I just woke up not too long ago. So today, let me say this first. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button, so you don't miss when I upload a video. Okay. Now, on to what today's video is about. I'm going to be showing you guys my morning routine. If you guys care to see my morning routine, I just thought it would be an interesting thing to post, So, yeah, we're going to be doing that. And that's about it. So if you guys want to see my morning routine, how I get ready in the morning, just stay tuned. Okay, so first thing I like to do in the morning is brush my teeth, because don't nobody want to walk around with stank breath. So let's do that really quick. Okay, so now that we have fresh breath, next thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and wash my face. So first thing, I'm gonna go ahead and give me a wash rag really quick. Got my washcloth. So I'm gonna turn on some warm water. Why am I turning this into like a tutorial style video? Anywho, it takes so long for my darn water to warm up. Y'all look crazy, y'all. It's warm now. Okay, now let's get into the nitty-gritty of all of this, which is washing my face. I'm gonna roll my sleeves up because we want to get a little messy, you know what I'm saying? I've been really into this Equate Beauty clarifying charcoal cleanser. It's oil free. It kind of gives me like a tingling feeling on my skin that I really like. Yeah, so we're gonna use that. Apply the product to my skin. If you guys watch my my hotel morning routine, you guys have seen this already. I'll link that in the cards, whichever side it's on, I'm gonna link it up there. So I like this because I can get like a deeper clean on my skin. So I'm just gonna wet this and then just clean my face. Pretty simple. So yeah, I'm starting to get that little tingling feeling. So that's not tingling, like it's like a cooling feeling, like tea tree. Like it feels like it has like some tea tree or something in it. Go ahead and rinse my face off now. Okay, now that my face is clean, I'm then gonna, how did I forget? Hold on one second. I'm gonna go in with some toner. I'm just gonna use these face pads, face wipes, cotton rounds here. Oh, and the toner I like to use, I use Biore toners, but I switched from the cleaning one and this one. So this is the Biore Free of Pores. This has witch hazel in it, I know. Anywho, it controls oil and deep cleans for clear pores. It's a pore clarifying toner with salicylic acid acne treatment, and it's lightweight, oil free. So I get this because I have bad acne breakouts. So whatever I can use or whatever I can do to help tone down those breakouts, I do. And I do use this every day. And me personally, like, it's done nothing but help my skin. So, I mean, if it's not broke, don't fix it, you know what I'm saying? So, that's why I use this. Then I'm just gonna let this dry really fast. Okay, now my skin is feeling really, really clean. I'm gonna then go in with, this is another acne treatment. This is the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. This also has the salicylic acid acne medication in it. And it's a moisturizer, but it's also an acne treatment. So that's what I use here. And then I'll put this on next. Working on, I'm trying to get rid of like all these dark spots, because right now, like I don't have any like current acne like breakouts right now. My skin is just like from years of acne, it just has like the dark spots, and I don't know what to do to get rid of the dark spots, like, because I feel like this is like the best my skin has ever been just because of my routine. And yeah, if anybody has any tips or anything, leave it down below, you know. That would be very helpful for me. Okay. So now I like to go on with this Olay Complete. This is a daily moisturizer with SPF. So I use this I don't use it every day because I'm not going outside. I don't necessarily think I need to use the SPF, but I try to use it every day, or at least every other day, or I especially use it when I know I'm going outside because of the SPF. So that's what that looks like. So I like to use this. And I apply it the same way that I applied my other moisturizer. Because my skin is like very oily, like it gets very like obnoxiously oily. I like to use lightweight moisturizers, like moisturizers that that have my skin not feeling dry, but also have my skin, you know, feeling just a tad bit moisturized, but like not too much moisture. You know what I'm saying? Because that's not good for oily skin. I don't reach for those heavy serums and stuff like that. It just doesn't work with my skin in particular. Also, when I do remember, I take my vitamins every day, just one a day. I take one a day. My lips are so dry from all that stuff. I just gotta put some Vaseline on. You know how it is. You know the vibes. So that's pretty much. Let me take my scarf down so I can look like I'm actually doing something. I'm probably gonna redo some of these anyways. Yeah, you guys. I'm about to go get right back in bed. I'm about to put that scarf right back on my head. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video, my little mortar routine, you know, going. Yeah, like I said, just give you guys a close-up of my skin. That's what we're working with, you guys. So if you guys did enjoy this video, do, you know, hit the like button, you know, subscribe. That really helps me out a lot. I'm trying to get rolling with this YouTube thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get rolling with it. I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye. And also, I'm sorry about the echo. I don't know if it's bad, but like me hearing it in my ears is bad. So if it comes off bad, I do apologize for that. Bye.